everybody. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Today I will be telling you about this really pretty wig that I'm wearing right now. It was sent to me by an Amazon seller by the name of Aisi Queens. And the name of this unit is, I'm going to read it off the packaging. It is called Long Wavy Wigs for Women, Blonde Mix, and Brown Synthetic Curly Wigs, Middle Part, Heat Resistant Fiber for daily party use. And it did come in this packaging. And this is the tag that comes on the wig. And it did come with like instructions on how to take care of the unit. So definitely you should look at that. And I'm just going to give you, oh, and it also came with a wig cap right here. So it came with a wig cap. And I actually didn't use it. I just have a regular basic black wig cap underneath. I did leave a little bit of my own edges out. But it just comes with like the parting right here. And I did go in with my tweezers and I plucked out some hair to kind of make it more look natural. So this is how much hair came out after I finished plucking the part. So you will need to do quite a bit because the way it comes is really close together. And I like for my parts to be a little bit more open. And that's it. All I did was I went through, oh yeah, then I put my foundation in the color 312 by Maybelline Fit Me on the parting space. So I did not add any heat to this unit. I did not curl this unit. I didn't wet it with anything. All I did was I went in with my brush and my comb and fluffed it out because it kind of came with more uniform curls. And I love big hair. And I also like hair that looks more messy. So I went in with my, I went in with this comb. First I brushed it out with my brush. And then I went in with my detangling comb and just kind of like teased it a little bit like this to give it some more volume right here like that. And I really like these blonde highlights that are in the front of the unit. It reminds me of that one style that Beyonce wore a while back, a long time ago. She was wearing her hair really long and wavy with the blonde highlights in the front. So it really is just giving me that Beyonce vibe. And I do think that this is perfect for like going to the beach, going for the summer, you know, wearing it to the pool. You can also wear it during the fall months as well, or really any time of the year. It is pretty long on me. I'm 5 feet tall, so I don't know if you guys can see how far it comes down on me, but yeah, it's pretty long and it's very affordable. So if you guys are looking for a cute way to change up your style and have a new look, if you're going out on a nice date, definitely check out Aisi Queens on Amazon. They're very affordable. They are on Prime, so if you guys have Prime, you can get it in 2 days. And yeah, and I've ordered other units from Aisi Queens, and I really like the quality of their wigs so far. Everything has been really nice. I haven't experienced any shedding or tangling. The hair is really nice and high quality. So it doesn't feel like low quality hair. It feels very high quality. Yeah. So that's all I have to say about this unit. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. Let me know if you guys are going to check it out. And yeah, and thank you Aisi Queens for sending me this wig for review. I definitely love it a lot and I will wear it a lot. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you stayed this far, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. I'm way too good for you. You're just a